The paint on this thing is amazing. C8 Corvette, Scat Pack. So that's the thing, is the Tour of Texas is open to anything. It's not just classics. So, you know, whatever you got, jump in and go. Good afternoon, TDR family. Today we are in, I guess it's New Braunfels, Texas. Yesterday was the start of the Hot Rod Tour of Texas 2024. This guy missed the entrance. It's a nice T-Bird. So today they stopped in Shiner, Texas for Shinerbach beer. And then today the second stop in Samson. So yeah, Samson Performance and Restorations. We're going to be here just for a little bit. We're going to get some pictures here real quick. Maybe a little bit of video of some of the cars. And then we're going to push on to Austin because there's a show tonight that we're going to try to go to in Austin. And then tomorrow we're going to the Circuit of the Americas for the Radwood 2024 show, which is an 80s, 90s show. My son has a Camaro enter in that show, so we're going to go check that out. But right now, I'm going to walk around a little bit, show you guys some of the cars. Start with a nice 68 Camaro and a 67 on Convo Pros. Nice Mordor 57. Cool van, shaggin' wagon style van. And then here's Samson Performance and Restorations. Nice. Impala, big block with EFI. It's like a Biscayne wagon. Guess they get some work done here, man, because a lot of the cars that were here last year are gone already. When you're doing this level of work, it's not uncommon for projects to take, 2-3 years. But we were here last year. These are all new projects that were not here last year. You can see the mini tubs in the wagon. Real nice fastback up on the rack. Got a 68 Camaro. Nice 442. Nice Bronco 2. Man, the 442 is beautiful. Beautiful Tri-5 Chevy. Come around this side. So you guys know we have a 57 Chevy. We have a 6.2 for it. I just don't know if we're going to do the 6.2 or if we're going to go with a 5.3 yet. this 442. Looks like they're doing a custom trunk for it. Nice. Cummins in it. Nice bubble top. El Camino, is it a car or is it a truck? Leave a comment. Mustangs, man. That's one of my bucket list cars. 67, 68 fastback. All right, that's Bobby pulling in from the hot rod tour. So that's it. We are done here. The wife wants to go buy some merch. We're gonna go over there and get some merch for her. And then we're going to push on to Austin, where we're going to a Radwood pre-party tonight at the Petrol Lounge from 7 to 9. We're going to go check that out. We'll drop that probably in a separate video. So we'll end this video here. And then stay tuned for the video from the Petrol Lounge. Beautiful Cadillac. And then we'll get another video for you guys from the Radwood. That'll have its own video. So, yeah, stay tuned.